Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Suan Jocampo, and I am 40 years old. My father's name is Salvador Jocampo. My mother's name is Ella Jocampo, and my religion is Fundamental Baptist. And I have four siblings, and I have 2 children, and I'm separated. I work experience before in Philippines, here in Philippines, for almost 2 years. And I work also experience in Kuwait for 1.5 years.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad to earn money and to support for the future of my children.
Why Hong Kong?
I choose Hong Kong because I hear that Hong Kong is a good country and a high salary.
Are you willing to take care of baby and children?
Yes, ma'am, I'm willing.
What are the responsibilities of a domestic helper?
I do household, cleaning, ironing, washing clothes.
Can you
all
operate
around.
electrical appliances?
Yes, ma'am.
Like what?
Like microwave oven, washing machine, blender, oven toaster.
Are you willing to take care of old bedridden people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook some Chinese dishes?
I will learn, ma'am.
Is it okay if your holiday will not be scheduled on Saturday or Sunday?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Like what?
Dogs and cats.
Do you have any message to your future employer?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Any message to your future employer?
I am hardworking and I do all household works. I'm honest and trustworthy. Thank you.